Hello traders, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into some solid charting principles and break down how you can trade effectively using simple, proven strategies. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the noise in the market? It happens to the best of us. But let me ask you something. Do you understand the power of trading in line with the broad trend? The golden rule of trading is understanding the trend. This simple concept, if embraced, can change your trading journey. Now, let's get into how this works in the market. Price action does two things. It either consolidates or trends. In other words, it either goes sideways or moves up, down. As a trader, we don't need to predict every single move. We just need to recognize these cycles and react accordingly. Price spends about 90% of its time in consolidation. We call this Mode 2. The other 10% is spent trending, Mode 1. Here's where the magic happens. These cycles repeat themselves over and over again, and the trick is to trade the right setups that work within this cycle. What's my core setup for trading these cycles? It's the failed breakdown. Why? Because that's when institutions love to step in. Price goes down, it hits a major support level, and boom. Institutions jump in to grab liquidity, trapping shorts, and the price rallies. Think about it. If you wait for price to break below a significant low and then reclaim it, you are getting in right when institutions are pushing prices higher. It's like following the footprints they leave on the chart. Let's look at the past couple of weeks as an example. Over the last 2 weeks, ES was in a consolidation phase, forming a bullish ascending triangle with 6,333 resistance and 6,282 support. So, what happened today? We saw the bulls face the same challenge they had on Friday and Thursday. ES had to defend the breakout point at 6,333. As Adam wrote in his last update, the bulls need to defend 6,333, or quickly trap to 6,319 if it fails. And that's exactly what happened today. We saw ES sell down to 6,319, trapped shorts, and then the price rallied right back. This was a textbook example of a failed breakdown at work. Bulls defended the key level and the price quickly recovered, triggering a strong rally to 6,351. Let's talk psychology. Patience is the key to successful trading. Mark Douglas. This quote holds true in trading. Too often, traders get caught up in the urgency to make a move, but the most successful traders know when to wait for the right setup. They don't chase, they wait for the setup to come to them, and that's where the magic of the failed breakdown lies. You wait for the pullbacks, the flushes, and the recoveries. It's about having a plan and trusting it to play out. When you trade like this, your trades become more systematic, more consistent, and less emotional. That's where the long-term success is built. Ready to take your trading to the next level? ES Game Plan is your guide to mastering setups like the failed breakdown and learning how to trade with confidence. Join the community of like-minded traders who are dedicated to improving their trading and making real progress. When you sign up for ES Game Plan, you'll gain access to daily trade ideas, get actionable setups delivered right to your inbox, real-time alerts, stay ahead of the game with alerts on critical price levels. Discord community, connect with fellow traders, ask questions, and share ideas. Start trading smarter today by joining the ES Game Plan and the Discord community. Take the first step toward consistent profitability. Let's keep growing together. Happy trading.